What is the cheapest and fastest meal you can prepare? To serve one, this meal costs approximately $1 and takes under 20 minutes. But if you cook it right, it tastes like a $25 dish at an Italian restaurant. It's cacio e pepe, my friends. Take a look at this steaming, carbolicious thing of beauty. Consisting of little more than spaghetti, grated cheese, traditionally Pecorino Romano, though I prefer Parmesan to be honest, and lots of black pepper, this comes together in a hurry but is quite revelatory. However, if you make it wrong, it turns into a clumpy, salty mess. Here are the keys to nailing this classic recipe. Toast that black pepper in a little high-quality extra virgin olive oil. Activate some subtle flavor notes you won't get by just dumping it on at the end. Salt that water, y'all. You don't have to go overboard, but give it a good amount, enough that the water tastes salty. You always want the noodles to be seasoned so you're not making the sauce do all the work. Pro tip, wait until the water is boiling before adding salt, or it could cause pitting in your stainless steel. Undercook your spaghetti. That's right. When you pull the noodles out, they should be less than al dente. Our chef, Tony Mancuano of the world-famous Spaghetti restaurant in Chicago, says to cook it 3 minutes less than the box advises. I'll explain why in a minute. When you're draining the pasta, pour the hot water into your serving dishes. This is a little thing I do to warm the bowls. Just like at a restaurant. Keep the water in there until just before you serve. Use hot, starchy pasta water for the marriage ceremony. When you combine all the ingredients, your grated cheese is going to want to clump up and get grainy, when what you want is a rich, creamy, smooth coating of cheese sauce on each noodle. So you combine everything with starchy hot pasta water, which will help the cheese emulsify and cling to each strand, and this is also when the noodles finish cooking to reach their perfect al dente state. This means spending a little time stirring everything like crazy, but to get it just right, you should watch the video. Dish it out into your pre-warmed bowls and you're ready to sit down to one of the best cheap eats around. So, I love this dish. It's restaurant quality, but anyone can make it at home with just a few ingredients.